Everyone, we're back into the dumpster fire. In a way, I'm okay because I told you this was going to happen. And it is because of what we're seeing right now that crypto millionaires are being made right in front of our eyes because people are taking profits. Even a Dogecoin millionaire just tweeted, guys, don't forget to take profits. Oscar, what are you talking about? Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Cronos, Ethereum, BNB. Less than 2 days, we're all back to where we started. Those great news of grayscale, right? And then Twitter X accepting and getting the Bitcoin permission license. Where was that? Where's all of that capital? Well, I think this one can help. Bitcoin withdrawals from exchanges are outpacing deposits and highest rates since the FTX collapse. There are currently 58,000 Bitcoin red being withdrawn for every 45,000 Bitcoin deposited green. So this is obviously a great conversation for in general. If you're like crypto, you're here for, the future, we're going to be okay. But the thing is that the bear market, the winter, the crypto delicious winter that breaks a lot of people and makes a lot of people rich. Guys, we had 8% over $2,000 in the price of Bitcoin. You take a look at Shiba Inu, Ethereum, it really pumped a lot, right? So in times like this, I always like to tell myself, well, if I'm not gonna do trading, then I'm just watching the fireworks and I'm just becoming a spectator. If I'm not gonna do the training that it drops and it pumps whatever it wants, even some news and when whales wanna sell, then I'm just gonna be buying every time my indicators like the RSI speak to me. Because here, indicators spoke to me saying buy. Here, it broke the 4-hour view and it became overbought. This is Bitcoin. Time to sell. But Oscar, are you gonna sell it at 28,000? We're not even at 30. Time to sell according to that indicator. And you want another one? There's the Bollinger Bands indicator. Right here, we were in a consolidation, phase. It exploded. Guys, will it continue exploding Bitcoin eventually? Of course. Thing is that we're not in a bull market, right? We're in a market that everyone needs money. Cash is king. Liquidity is what everybody's looking at, correct? Therefore, this it's obviously what people are looking for. And I wouldn't be surprised if we go back to the $25,000 because it went 3,000, almost, $3,000 higher. So it is kind of what's occurring to Bitcoin since August and after the crash here from $30,000 all the way down, mid-August. So it is in a way the market that we have. I want to show you this too. The Bitcoin rainbow chart that we talk a lot. Since, you cannot make this up. Guys, since September 2022, according to this logarithmic view that is according to the blockchaincenter.net, good professional people who do this for everybody, servicing others. They're telling us that the price of Bitcoin hasn't really moved from the price back then was roughly from 16 to 22,000. As it's growing in time, the value of Bitcoin has been increasing to now from 23 to 31,000. So it is growing at a much lower pace, but it is moving and it's doing something. It's just that it's not breaking really that accumulates on so easily since we broke when we went lower all the way back in June. So we just ended summer 2023, right? Last summer, 2022, that was when the price of Bitcoin came the level that we have, and you're seeing it right now on the screen. So everyone is kind of like feeling we're bullish sometimes, we're bearish sometimes, it's kind of neutral. And I do agree with this indicator, honestly. So as of this moment, guys, enjoy the trading opportunities, honestly. If you are looking into a great place for fees, KuCoin, BingX, Binance, um, if you want to do Coinbase advanced trade, don't do normal Coinbase because the fees are gonna eat you up. But I wouldn't recommend Coinbase. Crypto.com on the app, I wouldn't recommend it because the fees are huge. So we're waiting for the United States for the crypto exchange, right? But if you don't live in the US, then you have Binance or other ones. The point is, trading is, I believe, what's best for us. Trading, because just check this out. I mean, it's really so uncertain. It's unpredictable. When you go out and do the macro of the or Bitcoin, then it doesn't really seem that difficult to grasp. We know Bitcoin is in this phase where we're just waiting for the Bitcoin halving, and it's a transitory inflation, rates, but fights with the SEC. It's just a mess, right? And people got tired a little bit. It's not difficult to forecast that 2023 it's better than 2022, but it's really not showing us great potential for Bitcoin and other altcoins. The good thing that I can tell you guys is, from what I'm seeing, building never stops. The building process and that part of development for communities is what it's basically gonna be the lifeblood and engine for the upcoming bull market. Without the building, the innovation, adding more utility, these projects wouldn't really last till the next bull market. So it's just proving that the good projects are the ones that are gonna survive till the end. Obviously, Bitcoin here in the charts, we're seeing that, well, once again, we're getting sold off after a couple of days since the middle of June, right? Pump to 30s, but immediately the whales cash out because they need that liquidity, and it kind of never fails. It is what happens, fam. And this, I think, it's also important to see, right? How just there's less people depositing on chain, right? And there's more people withdrawing. It's like they're forecasting an even deeper bear market. It's like they're seeing recession is coming or something bad is coming, and I don't want to have my money here. But the realistic view is we already are coming from a somewhat recession, price of Bitcoin at 15,000. It's bad, right? Where we are coming from already. Are we gonna go back there? Well, as of now, I don't want to make big assumptions, but it's just you're ready for anything, and never hurts to have some cash in hand for deeper prices. You know that by the same token, when we pass the overbought, it's time to sell for a trading gain, right? To become a crypto millionaire. Come on, it's possible in the short term if you buy a lot. But by the same reason, when it's oversold, very bad, super red, that is where you can attack, buy the dip, and then know that a comeback is coming in the short term because it just makes sense. And the law, it says that it's going to work. I'll see you next time, everybody. Thank you for watching. You've been updated. This is what's happening. Crypto millionaires. You don't know them? We're trying to become one, but becoming a crypto millionaire investor is more difficult than becoming a crypto millionaire trader. For a fact. Peace.